Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's a 2.4 all-wheel drive automatic. As you can see, it's had a bit of a tap on the front there. It's got some good doors. It did have a good tailgate when I purchased it, but it turned up a big dent in it, which we're not happy about. But anyway, it's got a dent in it. Doors there, set of wheels on it, the two front ones got some marks. Cloth interior, tidy, very clean. Airbags haven't gone off. Got a compliance plate in here somewhere. There we go, there's one there. And get the other one, I'll pop the bonnet up and then we'll start the engine up for you. There's a big block 2.4 litre engine. There's our other compliant plate up there. 4J12 engine or 4J12. And we have another compliance plate in here, shows it's a 1013 model. I'll start it up for you. We have 113,239 kilometres. And should have blast off in a second. Okay, let's blast off. There we go. Big glary there. All fairly standard. So four-wheel drive, cloth trim. It's got a cargo barrier in the back. Been dismounted, but the brackets are there. Tidy car. There it is, one Outlander being dismantled at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. If you need some parts for your Outlander or any other car for that matter, give us a call on that number there, 0246461733, and the Parts Plus guys will help you out. And don't forget, we do nationwide delivery, so wherever you are, it don't matter. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.